I don't put the camera just like straight in front of me like this, but this feels too like, this feels really formal. Good morning everyone. It is 1:30 currently, so not the morning. I don't know what to do today, but it's such a nice day and I do feel like I need to go out, but I don't know where I could go. Like I could go to the Asian food store, but that's like not even like a nice walk. That's like a, I will probably be dying by the end because I'm not unfit. I put my camera battery on charge last night and turns out I never plugged in, so I did have to wait for it to charge a little bit before I could start filming. So yeah, that was really inconvenient and was a brilliant start to my day. Also, I'm gonna plug you guys right now. These things, chocolate covered raisins, it's 2:30 right now, and I'm gonna go to Tesco. I'm gonna walk and I'm gonna get fruit for a smoothie because I want to make a smoothie, and then after that I'm gonna go to the Asian supermarket and I'm gonna buy some noodles because I saw these noodles on TikTok that everyone really likes and I'm gonna try them. So yeah. In Tesco, I probably should have filmed it. So I'm now going to the Asian food store, Asian supermarket, it's just over here. And this bag's actually heavier than I thought it was gonna be, but it's okay. I'll survive, I guess. Got some pineapples, kiwis, banana, some donuts, just to treat myself. And yeah, I'm almost at the Asian store, so yeah. Oh, no, it's with my feet. I've finished my shop and oh my god, I love that. I forgot how much I love this shop. It is literally just, oh, it's so good. Anyway, yeah, these bags are so heavy though and I'm kind of struggling to walk, but it's okay. I'm home, finally, and I am exhausted. Like, I don't know why I thought it was going to be easy to carry that much stuff, but literally my hands were like, you know, like this, like it was literally like that by the time I got home. It's my exercise for the week. I was going to say day, but we all know I don't exercise every day, so I'm really hungry though, so I'm going to go make some of that food that I just bought, I think. But I'm just going to sit for a minute because don't even want to go into detail about how much sweat is on my body right now. Honestly though, I love that Oriental store. It is, you're going to see me going there in every single video because I haven't been there in like, not a while, but I go to a different one. There's a different one in town that I've went to a few times. And I just forgot about that one. Like, it is literally a supermarket. It's like massive. It's the size of like Morrison's. I've been watching Top Boy for the past hour. I know I'm a bit late to the club. It's pretty good. I'm quite enjoying it. But I'm gonna go make a smoothie and get a snack to eat. I went out earlier and I bought the kiwis and banana and pineapple. So I'm gonna make a kiwi, banana and pineapple smoothie. Anyway, I'm gonna go get a snack. Already got one right here. Okay. I'm back with my smoothie. Something about it is very slightly bitter, but I don't know if it's the kiwi though, because I feel like all the stuff I put in is sweet. Banana, pineapple and kiwi. I feel like it's probably a kiwi, isn't it? But I tasted the pineapple before and the pineapple tastes good. But it's fine, I put some sugar in it and it's not that bad. But I've also got a bowl of fruit and some salt and vinegar. Why did I forget what they were called for a minute? Salt and vinegar. Gonna watch Top Boy, eat my snacks. I already know the lighting's going to be so bad because I've got on LED lights and 2 candles, so I'm basically just asking for my camera to combust in front of me. Look at how beautiful this candle is. I'm going to burn myself, so I'm going to put that down. I'm going to go in the bathroom and I'm going to use my good old CeraVe face wash and brush my teeth, although... Okay, I think it's still got some charge. I need to charge it. I haven't charged it.